Yo, chat. Make sure naririnig nyo ako, but give me 1 second. I believe my stream is already starting, if I'm not mistaken, chat. Again, weakness through 750 is every. How are you, chat? Good evening, good evening. Can you hear me, guys? If you are here, let me know. If nandito kayo sa chat, let me know. I'll be happy to. Let me know, guys. How are you guys doing? What do we have, chat? What do we have? Meron tayong currently bearish movement na nangyayari sa market, but I am more in favor of these highs. I've been wanting to see these highs get taken out, but at the same time, meron tayong trend liquidity down here, right? So medyo alanganin itong ano. Which way is it gonna go? Is it gonna be to the upside or to this level first? Obviously, malapit tayo dito. It's so easy to say we will go lower because we're nearby here. But at the same time, yesterday it was so easy to say that we're gonna go up, but we go lower. But either way, I like longs more. I was hoping that we can see a bounce from this level. Kapag itong level na to nag-give up, itong breaker na to, we are definitely gonna go way lower. But yeah, I tried to long here earlier, kaso mali yung position size ko and I took a heavy drawdown and nag-decide ako mag-take ng break-even trade. Nagkamali ako ng account size na tinitrade kanina. That's why I started to chill out for a while and yeah, wait for more information, wait for market to present more information essentially. But I like this. I like this idea of going long from this level. I might even take it sa live account. I like this idea na we go higher from this point on. Ayoko na siyang bumalik down here, in all honesty. Don't want to see price trade below here. Kung iti-trade ko to, problem kasi yung stop placement eh. But I like it, chat. I like where we are. I feel like we are in a dip discount. But yeah, just waiting for more information, I guess, and see what's gonna happen. So far, this 5 minutes breaker is being respected. Just waiting for the market to open and give me more highlight, more information. And yeah, that's where I'm at. I think, how much do I need para mag-request ng payout? The market is being an ass right now. Ayaw mag-push higher. What else? What market should I look at? The dollar, I don't like how the dollar is behaving right now. It's in 4-hour consolidation and I don't like where we are at on the dollar. I feel like possible we take out the 830 low on the dollar today. Because nothing in here on this left side na pwede mag-support sa price unless this is gonna start to push back up from this level. Yeah, it's a weird spot kung nasa ng Forex right now. The intraday on Forex doesn't look good. 1 hour is so volatile. It's not giving one real direction sa Forex side. So we're gonna wait, chat. We're gonna wait. Like I said, I want higher prices dito sa ES and NQ, but my issue is it's not giving any sign na it wants to. Maybe I'll just wait for market open, chat. How are you guys feeling this week? Kumusta yung trading nyo this week, chat? How is the trading this week? Do 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 do. Solid yung 5 minutes breaker. It's still being respected. I feel like we're gonna push higher. Market open, we're gonna rip, but who knows? Nag-touch tayo sa midpoint ng fair value gap na to, and now we're dropping again. If we're gonna drop lower, I guess this is the draw on liquidity. Itong ano na to, level na to, but at the same time, nag-move na tayo ng 3 standard deviation and we put out an equal high up here, and we have a relatively equal high in here as well. So many liquidities to the upside, kaya mas prefer ko yung upside, but kailangan yung structure should go with the trade idea. The structure should also play out. Bear structure intraday, but overall, like the draw on liquidity, I would say is upside. Upside draw on liquidity, chat. We're about to put another breaker dito kapag nag-close tayo above. This is going to be another breaker inside of a breaker. Kaso walang volume, which is hard. Feel like this could be a setup, right? Something like this. Target this high, even possibly way higher. Chat, may problema yung Windows ko. I'm not sure what's happening, but very annoying. Hindi ko ma-open yung mga windows ko. Di tuloy ako makapag-record ng screen. Puno na yung ano ko. Puno na yung files. So annoying, man. I like this idea. Gusto ko siyang i-take sa sa live account. It's going higher now. Might have missed it completely. Gusto ko tong trade na to. Like, it's gonna go up. This is gonna be a massive trade if ever. It's a good level to be buying in my opinion. Sana nag-market order na lang ako. I feel like I am left behind. Possible na hindi siya mag-retrace. 55. 19. I'll take this trade. Kahit sa prop account ko. Trading the pre-market today. Right now. Right now. Yun, na-feel ako, chat. Let's see. I am failed. Is Apex trailing drawdown? What did you say? Is Apex trailing drawdown resets every day? No, it's always trail. It always trails. It always trails. Apex always trails. Nasa for our bull OB as a bearish structure. Yeah, I agree with you. I like buys, but the issue is yung price action itself, like the structure itself, it's still bearish. Kaya medyo tricky to. And I would lose pre-market if hindi mag-work out yung trade na to. I'm gonna wait at market open if ever na mag-decide ito to, you know, fully reverse from here. I'm already longs. Just risking $200 on this trade. Pati yung prop account ko, I entered because I feel like it's a A+. Would give a positive EV, positive risk to reward, right? Above here, I would say I would put myself to break even once we break 770s. But I like it. I like it so far. Could be one of those days. Sobrang clean ng equal high ng Asia. Issue lang talaga dito was the market is still bearish. And medyo, ano yung draw on liquidity, no? Medyo alanganin. Like, dalawa. Kasi possible dito eh. Monday, Friday, and Thursday low might be the draw on liquidity. That's we're sitting at this 1 hour. But I'm betting on this trade as a high risk to reward. Especially if nag-start to mag-push. It's gonna be game over if mag-flip tayo dito sa 5 minutes FVG up here. I might start pyramiding into this position. Just a 20-point stop. Let's see. Oh no, not looking good, bro. Not looking good. Gonna lose $200. But yeah, hayaan ka na lang. Just gonna take this risk and let it play out. Remember, one good trade. One good trade is all we need. Every day, you just need a one good trade. One good trade. Yun yung tatak natin sa isip natin whenever we are trying to take a trade. One good trade, one good trade. One good trade is all we need. One good trade. Do we still have news ba? Not sure if we have news event. I'm in as well sa 20 accounts or 19. Nag-request ako ng payout on my accounts. Nag-request ako ng isa lang. Yung isa pala hindi pa abot sa consistency. I thought yesterday, chat, abot na ako sa consistency rule, but I wasn't. So, I need to keep trading. I need to keep trading my account. Hindi ko alam kung ilan yung consistency rule. I have to check now kung ano yung biggest day ko. Moment of truth in 5 minutes, chat. In 5 minutes, we're gonna see the moment of truth. I'm gonna sit on my hands once I get stopped out. Yun yung plan ko. Because clearly I'm not reading the market very well. Trying to position myself pre-market. Volatility is kicking in. Let's go. Nice one, nice one. Love to see it. Ideally, you know, hindi na bumalik to sa break even. Especially my accounts in the trailing drawdown. Medyo sketchy, you know, to be losing. As I said, if we touch this level, pag ito nag-break na, or at least it touched this high, it's time for me to take the BE. Take the break even, chat. Break even, break even. At least sa prop ko mag-break even ako live account, I won't do it. Still longs on my live. Market is gonna open very soon. Pag 25 account, ilan balance para makapag-payout? 25,600 is what you need. So 25k account. Should I break even? Ayoko ba mag-break even, pero oh my god. Yeah. So annoying. Hindi, ayoko mag-break even. I don't want to break even too early. Kung ma-stop out ako, it is what it is. Don't wanna take a premature break even on that. Especially 9:30 open. Oh my god. I guess I should have break even. Holy cow. Market is rigged, chat. The market is rigged. Annoying. Oh my god, bro. It's all good. Sobrang annoying nun, not gonna lie. That was rough, bro. That was rough. That candle is rough. Sit on my hands muna. That's not good. I lost $600 or $800 from that trade. Do 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 do. That was rough, chat. Not gonna lie. That was very annoying. Very, very annoying. Lapit na rin ako ma-stop sa live account. Unless we magically survive this. Triple bottom, maybe. Told you it's going down. I hope you made money. If you think it's going down, I hope you made money on that. Reversal activated. Hirap din ng naka-trailing. Lagi ganyan galawan. Hirap din naka-trailing, lagi BE galawan. Yeah, that's why you need to Mitch. Nung explain bombastic, what do you mean? Sino kausap mo? Alright, I got stop out. I guess the market wants to go down. Market is open though. We just open up. Let's see. That was rough, chat. That was rough. Not gonna lie. Imagine we push higher from this level. Wow, the Dow is pumping, chat. The Dow is crazy right now. Holy cow. What a push, man. Yes, is not looking really well. Wow, low of day. What a bearish movement right now on NQ. Mali yung read ko ng pre-market. Should have just followed the structure. Structure was bearish, you know, based on intraday. That was annoying. Let's sit on my hands. Sit on my hands for the meantime, chat. Tayin ko muna mag-calm down before I start placing any trades. Starting the day with a rough drawdown. So I need to be careful. You got the first presented per value gap right now. We're about to invert it. Wow, freaking crazy. Did we put an SMT? No, we did not. Solid push back up. Grabe. Sobrang volatile right now. Solid, chat. This is insane. Wow. Wow, bro. What an insane move. Now it's about to go up to this level. 830 high. The initial target from earlier. Grabe. That was such a move, bro. That was an insane movement. Ilang points yung NQ today? $100 points so far. Another back down. Solid. Grabe volatility today. One candles are like popping off 50 points. Each candle are trading like 50 points, which is crazy. Grabe, grabe. Solid yung push dito, tapos biglang drop. What an insane. Meron pa tayo mga drawn liquidity sa downside. Itong low resistance. Took a short 25787. 2587787. Good luck, chat. Good luck. Sorry di ako makapagbasa ng ano nyo. I'm just focusing on trading right now. Meron pa ba tayo ng news? Well, may news pa tayo. Wala na tayong news today, tomorrow. Still going lower. Nag-touch lang tayo dito sa fair value gap from 8:30 news event. Then we drop down. IFVG full send long. Which one? Which IFVG? Ito ba? IFVG full send long? Which IFVG are you referring to? Yes, that one. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Not gonna lie, if you're bearish today, I feel like lots of opportunity was presented if bearish yung bias mo. Personally, I was not bearish. I got chopped trying to trade this. That's the issue I had. I got chopped in here. That pull down should have just break even after being up like 10-15 points. Coulda, woulda, should've. Coulda, woulda, should've. Market is interesting. GG's. Yeah, I'm down right now. Tried to take a long pre-market twice. One break even. This one was up like 10 points. Was expecting this high to be taken out, but we just moved down lower again. Yeah, I agree with you. Both liquidity on the both side liquidity ng market are actually good. Kaya ang hirap. We have this could have known better, you know. Dapat if they're both side of liquidity in the market, you should not focus it. Instead, wait mo yung isa na ma-taken out. Structure wise, like intraday, 1 hour nito was beautiful, right? This was beautiful. Kaso masyadong in-overthink and was wanting to see higher prices, which is this high. I wanted to see this high to be taken out, but the issue is we also have 4 previous days low na hindi pa taken out. So 1, 2, 3. We got too many in here as well. Mga trendline traders, right? Mga trendline traders are getting liquidated right now, which is maybe why we did not have that movement. Kung bakit di natin tinake out tong high. Ganda na, ganda oh. Even the liquidity from CPI, from Asia, and then this high from last month. I don't know. Kaya hirap din ako mag-short. Pero intraday wise, if you're just trading the intraday volatility and wanted to trade this hourly, then yeah, this is perfect for short. You guys already late. Boss, nakapag-payout ka na? Yes, I do. I just requested 2K. 2K pa lang nare-request ko this January. Just need more for the consistency rule sa iba kong account. Then I can request a payout. Solid to, itong fair value gap na to. This is insane. This hold really well. Hindi niya tinake out yung high from the news from 8:30. Who would have thought, man? Who would have thought? Breaks down. Not sure what's gonna happen. Hindi ko alam hanggang saan to chat. I'm gonna wait until it makes sense. Right now, it's not making any sense to me. Kasi masyado akong preoccupied. So I'm gonna sit out and try not to overthink this. Congrats sana all. Thank you. Thank you, I guess. If you've been here in a while, you know I'm taking month over month payout with Apex. Meron kasing mga news ata about Trump kahapon. Nagsasalita siya like about Greenland. I think today he said mga tao sa Greenland umalis na kayo. I'm not mistaken. I think I've seen some financial juice today. Earlier during this drop, he said something about Greenland. U.S. Secretary. Every day may trade ka ba? Yes, sir. I do trades. I do take trade every day. I would say 90% of the time or 95%. It's very rare na hindi ako mag-take sa isang araw ng trade because I'm just scalping. I'm just scalping NQ. Scalping the shit out of NQ. Hirap din kasing i-frame ng daily time frame, no? Kung iisipin mo. Wala siyang maayos na daily inefficiency. Alam mo yun? It's just so weird. We're still inside bar, meaning di pa tayo nag-take out ng previous month high and previous month low. So the last time solid though. We still haven't like breached this high. Yeah, and diba, from November previous month, high and low, we did not reach that. And now, yung December, hindi rin. What if we're just gonna trade between these two for the rest of January? That would be crazy. It's possible, but it's gonna be crazy chop if that happens. Crazy chop, chat. Another 5 minutes FVG down here. Solid bearish na market today. Ay, ito ako. Free fall on gold. Let's see gold. Not really. It's not really. I just don't like trading gold when it's at all-time high. It's not worth it. Some module ka nang nag-aaral kay ICT. Everything. Watch his full video sa YouTube. 2022 mentorship. Then yeah. Lots of videos. Mahirap i-trade ng 4-hour 4-hour consolidation. In terms of ito yung reflection ko like in this market. Ang hirap i-trade ng daily drawn liquidity kapag yung 4-hour nag-consolidate. Feel like 4-hour consolidation just give a nice intraday movement rather than continuous trend. Kasi iniisip ko like in the past couple of days, nagre-range bound lang tayo dito sa 4-hour. Like 4-hour FVGs are not really working well. Nasa consolidation profile tayo sa 4-hour and sa loob ng 4-hour na to, we're having a decent intraday profiles. Like today, 1 hour are printing sa short side. but not the external draws sa daily kasi nga nagko-consolidate tayo sa 4-hour. Oh, something to think about. Weird price action. At this point, you know, if you want to short, ang risky dito is how low it can go, right? You've already taken some of the liquidity, but are you certain na aabot siya hanggang dito? I don't know that. $1 million question, chat. I wish I have the answer. $1 million question. $1 million question. Tawag mo ako?
Pag di ka busy, pasuling doon ng konti.
Sige, mamaya. Anong broker gamit sa Apex? You can trade with Trade-A-Bait, Walchart, and Rhythmic. I would suggest Trade-A-Bait if you plan to buy on Apex. Loads yung account ko, 1327 yung DD, tas yung balance ko, 25320. Pag nagawa akong 2560 na hindi 15 DD, pwede ako mag-request na payout. Pag nagawa mo 2560, ang balance mo, 1.5 ang drawdown mo. So yes, pwede ka mag-request ng payout. As long as na-meet mo yung consistency rule. 30% consistency rule and adder requirement kagaya ng trading days. Hey chat, I'll be back. May inutos sa akin. Anong motor yung pinapatabi? Edge is in you. You can be profitable with any trade. With any style, you can be profitable. It's just that how you incorporate them. Kasi wala naman fixed na strategy that works all the time. So the edge is in you. Dude, grabe. Today was hard for me because I have a bullish bias. That's why it's hard. That's why it's hard. That's why it's hard for me. Cause saan yung midnight open nito? Even other market, like wala akong makitang maganda. I don't see anything that I like across all these markets. Euro, I like short sa Euro based on this daily time frame. Pero 1 hour niya, look at 1 hour. It's so just choppy. So weird, so choppy, man. Don't know what to say. Wala akong makita talaga na gusto ko at all. This is insane. This is insane. I can't find anything I like. Nice, isang 300 long na lang ngayon. First time ko makapag-payout. Positive lang kahit mag-blow na yung account. Paano mo malalaman ang 30% consistency? Divide mo lang siya. Ano yung biggest single highest profit mo sa isang araw? Divide mo siya by 30. Yun yung consistency rule na kailangan mo. Congrats, unexpected tantrum. Hopefully your payout will get approved and wala kang maging issue. First payout mo yan across multiple prop firms, or is it just your tawag dito? Is it just with Apex? Is that throughout your journey? 25k account mo, di ba? Check mo if yung consistency rule mo is abot na siya. Grabe. Meron pa tayong double bottom here. We still have the previous week low to the downside. Meron pa tayong N-wog down here. Hindi binalikan ng market. Are we going to trade all the way sa previous week low or not? Kasi if we trade all the way down sa previous week low, that means tinake out natin ang previous week high and previous week low on the same trading week, which is insane kasi madalang lang mangyari yon na we take out both side ng weekly highs and lows. Usually we only take one low and then trade within that range. For example, ito lang yung week na tinake out natin both previous week high and low out of many weeks, right? How many weeks? When was the last time? October. Tapos dito, October, December na yung next. October, tapos December, we take out both previous week high and low. Usually, hindi natin ginagawa yon. We only take one single high, not both. It would be crazy if we do that today. Kung we take out natin tong both high and this low, we'll see. We'll find it out. We will find out. Ilang points na lang away. It's only like 0.6. 0.6% away. Punta ka sa Trade-of-8. Mas maganda kung pupunta ka sa sa Apex dashboard. It's more accurate. Apex dashboard gives you a more accurate POV. First try lang, Lods, mag-prop firm 2. Binili ko na 25k account, well short yung isa. Pumasaya yung 1 failed sa eval. I see. Nice. Keep it up. Hopefully, yun nga, kagaya ng sabi ko, sana ma-approve yung payout mo. And yeah, keep me updated. Keep me posted. Send your certificate in Discord. So hard to base it kapag malalaki yung candles, especially when you're red already. It's hard to do base it kapag red ka na. If I take another loss from here, like a base it loss, I'll be net negative on the wick. Yung may 90% na offer sila last year, ginamit ko code mo. 19 per account. Nice. Nice, nice. Hopefully, you know, they will have sale, but I don't think so, to be honest. I don't think we're gonna have any sale aside from 80% off. 80% off is not bad if nagtitrade ka ng 50k accounts. If you want to buy more accounts, chat, use my code. Code RONE. Kailan kaya mag 90% off? I don't think it's gonna happen anytime soon. Kakatapos lang ng long time 90% off, so I think it won't happen, to be honest, anytime soon. Wow, what a pop. What a pop, chat. That was crazy. Very volatile right now. This market, man, I'm telling you, it's very volatile. It's crazy volatile. Telling you guys, this market is insane right now. Grabe. Quick pop up and then fail to sustain. Di ko na alam sa'yo, market. Di ko alam anong draw. Di ko alam if the draw is gonna be the previous week low or we're gonna start to trade back up sa 830 high. I don't know, chat. Hi, Ron. Have you taken a trade? Yes, I did pre-market. I took a loss, unfortunately. Was up 10 points plus. Did not take any profit and I lost 20 points in the process. I'm down 8k. I just don't understand the price action right now. Sometimes you just have to accept the fact na hindi mo alam all the time what's gonna happen. You're not gonna know what's gonna happen every time. Oh. I'm gonna try along here. Malaki-laki matatalo ko dito, pucha. Hindi ko alam na naka 2 contracts ako. Last trade ko na to, chat. It's not gonna be pretty. I'm gonna lose 800 plus on this trade, if ever. Shit. Not gonna be pretty, chat. Gonna be my big day loss. Bawasan ko ng isa. Nahihirapan ako mag-hold sa trade na yon kasi malaki yung risk ko. 15 points. Gonna be $600 risk after being, you know, down already ng 400. So my big loss is gonna become, it's going to essentially become 1K. As much as possible, ayoko magkaroon ng more than 1K losses. Ay, hindi pala nakikita. Oh my god. I took a long here. Nagkamali ako ng contract size. I'm a bit drained. Nafe-feel ko na medyo na-drain ako sa PA. This might be my last trade of the day and call it a day. Push above this high, I'm gonna start breaking even. Nagtitrade tayo sa 5 minutes bearish FBG, which is why this is a risky trade, I would say. Break even na ako ng stop. Nice, keep it going. We're still trading. Remember, it's 5 minutes. 5 minutes bearish for value gap. Just could not push through, man. We need to see that push through. What the fuck? Sinayang ko yun. Like, that was like 30 points. 30 points in profit. Did not take anything. Got break even. Drain. It's draining. It is draining, chat. Influence the trade. I was just hoping for a V-shaped recovery. 10 o'clock, pag nag-drop ng 10 o'clock, usually that would give a good V-shape. Nagkaroon tayo ng good push up, and I'm just trading this for value gap, hoping for a quick push back up. That's essentially what I wanted to see. One minute FVG, then V-shape recovery. Hinahanap ko right now is something like this. Yan, tapos I still like the 830 high, tong buy side na to. Hanap lang ako ng great structure up here. Work, 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 work. Oh, kaka-drain po siya. Gusto ko makakita ng V-shape. Kung, I don't know. Not mentally wise. Wala na akong mental capital today. Mentally speaking, I'm pretty drained. Pretty drained already. Compared to July to Sep last year, is the price action different now? Because I first traded around that time. I would say so, yes. July, typically, tsaka August is not good because it's summer. I'm on second day for PA 3PA. How can I change the monthly fee to lifetime? You cannot change it from monthly to lifetime and vice versa. You should choose it while you should choose the correct lifetime subscription habang babayaran mo pa lang. You cannot change it later on. Gusto ko makita is possible SMT here and then a good V shape. Pero if you look at the 15 minutes ni ES, this 15 minutes FVG is holding really well, so this could just be very much a retracement. Diba, pwedeng retracement lang to before we drop to the external draw, and we might not have that V shape. Baka balikan pa natin tong 10 o'clock low. Kasi nag-trade lang tayo dito sa 15 minutes bearish FVG. And NQ is also sitting at this 5 minutes. So if I'm trying to take a long, it's just me being stubborn and wanting to see higher prices. Oh man, I had the chance to get out of that trade for $200 profit pero di ko ginawa. I also like hesitated, you know. I did a lot of mistakes. Muli ko on that was I did not focus on base hit and was looking for more. Lods, pansin ko, while na-lose streak ka, you still recover and have payout. How did you do that? I don't know. I guess, just letting the day play out. You know, just being man enough to accept na you will have a losing days and just trade your system essentially. I-trade mo lang ng i-trade to the point na hanggang ma-blow siya. Kumbaga, fight until death. I know it's tempting like I did earlier, di ba? Kasi natalo na ako and I wanted to be positive in one trade instead of focusing on 10 points. As a result, I am now still negative, right? I was already up to 100. I could have gotten that pero di ko kinuha. But really just letting the day play out and wait for another day, knowing na you let the stats play out on its own. So just fight until death, I would say. Hanggat meron siyang drawdown, keep trading it. Because big days are gonna come. Out of like 1 month, sa loob ng isang buwan, there are probably 1:2 trade na sobrang high probability, na sobrang highly conviction ka. And those trade, dapat hindi ka magdalawang isip to execute. When they happen, it's gonna feel scary. It's gonna feel, when they happen, you should just execute and just follow your plan with the best of your ability and try your best, you know, not to screw it up, essentially. Yeah, just take it one day at a time, one trade at a time. I would say that's the best advice I can give. Such a bearish order flow right now. Such a good bearish order flow. From 15 minutes FVG, we drop down. Ganda ng short ni ES from this 15 minutes key level. It still have a good draw dito from January 8. What happened was we traded into this 15 minutes FVG and dropped down. Meron siyang another opportunity here for a short. That could be 5 points already if hindi ka komportable dito, but that's a good short on ES. Ako, I'm just leaning more towards dun sa V-shaped recovery. Feel like that could grant a very good risk to reward. Hindi niyo pala nakikita. Oh my god. Kanina pa ako salita ng salita. Hindi niyo nakita yung chart. Magandang short content mo yun, boss, na 100% wisdom. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm talking about, chat. Medyo drain na ako, to be honest. Drain na ako today. If you see, like, yung performance ko on this trade is not good. Right? Nag-enter ako into a trade when I'm not willing to accept the loss. Nag-2 contracts ako and I decided to remove it. Then it moved in my favor for 30 points. Di ako nag-take profit. Yeah, I'm just drained already. Sucks, but it is what it is. Ang good advice, ang galing mo. I don't know. I'm just speaking what I think is true based on my experience. I think I'm gonna long this if we get a IFVG from this level. Would be my last trade as well. Last counter trade. Dahil matigas ang ulo ko. This is gonna be 10 points. How many points is this? How many points is this, bro? 24 points. 24 points stop. Wow, the Dow is falling apart. Dow is falling apart, chat. Oh my god. I guess it's a bad idea to short. Oh. Tigas ng ulo mo, Iron. Tigas ng ulo mo, Iron. Tigas ang ulo mo, Iron. Tigas ng ulo. Try and buy this for possible basic once we take out this low. Here's the doji. Change character. Doji. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see, chat. Let's see. It's bearish overall. Like, in all time frames, no matter how I look at it, it's bearish. Pero hindi ko ano yung sarili ko to short. For some reason, couldn't bring myself to short this market. Because ng ulo ko. Sarap. ES about to take out its low. ES. Scalping? Maybe. Yeah, I'm scalping most of the time. That's what I do. Take the L, bro. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. Feel like we're moving. We have a great volatility. It's just that finding the right time to long this market. Feel like getting 50 points, 80 plus points on this market is easy. It's just being patient enough. It's about being able to survive while waiting for that movement. I'm gonna wait, chat. I'm gonna wait. I'll try my best. Ano na ba ngayon? Wednesday? Is it Wednesday? Wednesday ba ngayon? Tuesday? Yeah, I think it's Wednesday today. Yeah, we still have 2 more days. Hintay ako, chat. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Be patient. The setup is gonna come. Sayang. Trade tide sa 5 minutes at BG. BPR. We're trading inside this 5-minute BPR. Bullish BPR. Now we're gonna see if this level is gonna be respected or not. BPR. Ideally, if push tayo higher, we wanna see this put a low, you know? We wanna see it make a low. We wanna see an SMT between ES and NQ. Bakit din ng sleep performance ko today? I think I have like 4 hours of sleep. Whoop. Yeah. Partly siguro kaya poor yung decision making ko today was kulang ako sa tulog. Yung sleep ko today is just 4 hours. Kasi nag-gym kami kanina. We did go to the gym. Was pretty tired. Kasi sinisipagan ko mag-gym. Okay ba yun, chat? Like, nag-gym ako but it's only with the 4 hours of sleep? Is that bad? Is that bad, chat? What was my sleep performance? 55%. Oh my god. Ooh. Sleep efficiency. Sayang. Bakit hindi ito gawin? Kaya na ako'y nahihirapan. Hindi naman. Solid ES. Grabe. 21 points from this level. Iniisip ko kanina if nag-flip na ako ng bias. If finlip ko na yung bias ko kanina, what would the setup look like? I feel like ES has more high probability. From this 5 minutes FVG, di ba? We put out an SMT, tapos nagkaroon tayo ng OB. This is the entry. OB entry and then stop above this high. Target this low. I guess this was the trade on ES. 15 minutes, yan, ganito yung magiging setup. 15 minutes FVG, tapos kung gusto mo ng safe, mas magandang risk reward, this could be your first entry to second entry. Dito, I would not try to place more bets. Just don't get this very bearish. Sucks because I miss a good movement. feel like the price action today compared sa yesterday is more cleaner sa downside. Mas clean ang price action today compared sa yesterday sa downside. If you're bearish today, it's been sweet sa lower time frame. Yesterday, I was shorting this market. Kapag nag-short ako post CPI, it wasn't a good price action but I made it through, right? Pero ngayon, mas maganda yung short, like based on this intraday movement, like every 5 minutes FVG are being respected really well. It's just me not being able to perform well dahil I was so one-sided. Masyado akong one-sided sa bullish high. Part ng weekly weekly target ko is this high. Part of my pre-weekly target is this high. I just don't understand bakit. I don't know why. I don't know why this high, man, is being left. I'm an idiot, chat. Muscle grow when you're sleeping. Really? Muscle grow when I'm sleeping? I'm an idiot. Why? I'm such a bad trader. Why, oh why? Is it because nag-take ako ng L pre-market? Kaya takot ako mag-short? So I took an L pre-market. Took 3 trades today. 1 break even, 1 loss. I don't know. Just don't get this. I don't get it. I'm gonna wait until 11:10. Pag wala pa rin ako setup, 11:10 Eastern time, I'm just gonna call it a day. What a beautiful short, structure-wise. This is so good. $260 points. We got a good volatility today, chat. Good volatility. Ngayon ako'y nahihirapan kasi naman. Oh. Still going. It's still going, chat. Almost ano na. It's almost down here sa previous week low. Grabe. the moment na mag-short ako dito, the moment it's gonna reverse. I'm telling you, chat. If I try to short here, it's gonna reverse in my face. It's gonna reverse in my face kapag nag-short ako dito. It's gonna reverse in my face if I try to short here. Yes, sir. Chasing the price. Yeah, I mean, you can take a short scalp, pero malayo yung draw. Like, the drawn liquidity could reach up to this point. It still have like 67 points away. 67 points away. Pero yung, ano mo kasi dito, yung invalidation ng issue. Where would you place the invalidation? Kasi you can't like have, I don't know. I just suck today. I suck really bad. Nakita ko yung opportunity sa short, like on this 5 minutes FVG, I saw it, but I was trying to long, I was hoping. I guess yun yung ano ko, yun yung biggest mistake today. I was hoping for a V shape. When in fact, there's no reason to, kasi wala namang higher time frame liquidity pool na we really take out. I guess this, you can argue ito, na take out ito, but we haven't met this low, itong double bottom, and we haven't met this. Kaya mahirap mag-trade ng trendline liquidity para sa akin. Kaya ang hirap i-trade nito kasi hindi mo alam saan siya magbabounce or magre-reverse. And yet, I was hoping na essentially mag-V-shape siya from here, gonna continue to the upside. That was my mistake. But it's clearly inside this range na premium and discount. It's trading at a premium, then drop down. Another 5 minutes FVG, drop down again. Yeah, partly ang hirap kasi hindi ko alam saan yung draw. I knew trend line is a possibility here, but mas prefer ko sana yung upside kanina here at saka yung sa daily, yung dito. Which is why nahirapan ako mag-short. Been looking at this since December. I thought for sure it's gonna happen this week kasi ang dami nating news event that happened. Kala ko mangyayari siya, but it didn't. So, not revenge. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. If I'm going to take a trade, it's because I think it's a good trade, not because I wanted to revenge trade. Yo, magre-revenge trade, chat. I'm not gonna do it. It's not worth it. I'm trading 20 accounts. Kapag nag-revenge trade ako, na-blow ko to sa isang araw, then rip. Pag na-blow ko to sa isang araw, lahat ng account ko, I will be so pissed. Mahirapan ako mag-comeback. I think it's gonna take me 2 to 3 months to rebuild. Kasi number one, walang 90% discount. So hindi ako makakabalik agad sa 20 accounts. Right? I'm not gonna buy 20 accounts sa 80% off. Preferably, you know, I would get 90% for a 20 account. Pag na-hit natin tong 𝑿𝙞𝙞𝙣𝙙, I'm gonna start looking for longs. I think aabot tayo hanggang dito. and wag low. Clean silver bullet setup. Yeah, I agree with you. Like, I feel like today is a silver bullet type of setup. 10 to 11 give a good opportunity sa short if you are still bearish. Especially on the ES. I feel like ES is more clean today rather than NQ. Mas clean si ES sa short para sa akin, not the NQ. NQ, the cleanest short you can take, I would say itong 5 minutes. Then put your stop maybe at this high or this high. Pero apart from that, this one, I wouldn't really short this kasi nasa discount na. But ES, yung 15 minutes level ni ES was a good short in my opinion. Like, you could have shorted here, place the stop here, target this low, or kaya naman pwede kang mag-short dito sa OB. After this displacement, short this OB, let's target this low. Pag nasunugan ng isang account, isang taon mukmuk ako eh. It depends anong account yung masusunog mo. Is it prop firm or is it like live account? I can't imagine myself blowing my live. So far, like sa live account ko, I never had any day na nag-revenge trade ako, I would say. I did it in my PA before but not on my live. Plus yung live account ko is at break even right now. Been trading it for 5 months, I believe, and it's been not good this week. Gave back most of the profits. Pero kapag umabot ako ng 45k na balance, I would likely deposit or pull it out, everything. Pero more likely magde-deposit akong 5k. Each time na aabot ng 45k yung balance ng live account ko, I would deposit 5k para ma-meet ko yung margin requirement. Pero magde-deposit lang ako if I'm doing well on my PA in the first place. Kapag okay ang PA ko, let's say I get payout sa 20 account, I would add more into my live. Ang goal ko is to trade 100k live account. I think if I can trade 100k live account, that is $400 to $500 per trade, I can do full-time trading. Pwede ako mag full-time with 100k USD. Right now, it's at 50k. I think by the end of year, hopefully it becomes 100. Hey Joe, Nasdaq ba yan? Sorry, di ko kita. Naka-CP ako. Yeah, it is Nasdaq. NQ, chat. This is NQ. Bitcoin chat is at 97K. Nice one, BTC. Nice one. 97K. Bitcoin. Dami nagsasabi, 100K and then 60K daw. Maybe, maybe it's true, maybe not. Maybe mag-trade tayo dito sa 15 minutes FBG again before we trade sa previous week low mamaya. Mas maganda ba mag-trade sa funded account mo versus personal? Yeah. It's a lot more emotion sa live account because each trade you take on a live account is actually real money. So yes, it is more emotional, I would say, sa live. It becomes less emotional pag may buffer ka, but when you're trading in a break-even phase, tapos pabalik-balik ka between profit and losses, it's gonna take a lot on your mental capital. Pero kung like yung losses na natitake mo are from buffer, I would say it's more easier to handle that. Try and buy this. Wow. Fuck. $14.19. December. No, I'm not gonna use this. Chat, how did you guys do? I'm curious. Did you guys take a W? Are you guys green or red? I'm curious to see how you guys perform. 𝑘𝙤𝙤, it's clearly drawing here. Green, 162. I can't hold kasi natalo ko last week. Need ko pa buuin yung ulit yung natalo. I guess that's a basic mentality. Could have ended at green already, but same to me today. I could have ended up green if nag-take profit ako up here. Naglong ako kanina. Oh, shit. Di ba isang trade pa kailangan mo to get a payout? Hindi mo nakuha yan. One L2 win. Gusto ko makita at this point, chat, is mag-trade siya sa NWOG dito and then mag-start mag-push higher. Then iti-trade ko yon yung reversal. The issue I have trying to trade the reversal here is hindi ko siya ma-frame ng maayos at this point. Kasi across time frames are bearish and trading the 1 minute is a very counter trend and not the best way to go about it. Yeah, like I said, chat, 11:10 pag wala akong nakitang setup, I'm just gonna end the stream. I think I will trade post-stream. Pero for now, try ko munang tulugan. Maybe bumalik ako ng lunch hour or maybe balik ako ng PM session. I don't know. But for the meantime, I have to take this L. Down ako ng 8K across all accounts. Down on 8K across all accounts, and on my live I am down 230. So wasn't a good day for me. Price action wise, I personally think it is a good PA, nice volatility. I think the price action today is solid, pero just wasn't able to see it in advance. I was so preoccupied with my bias of bullish bias, and I ended up paying the price. Took a short 10.23 candle, but I cannot hold myself to let it play out. Nag-TP na lang ako na nag-pull back around 10.40. Dapat TP ko is low of day. Kaso di ko ma-hold winners. At least you know what to work for, Calix. Kapangalan mo yung pamangkin ko. Is that your real name? Giveaway? No giveaways for now, chat. No giveaways. Wala pang binibigay sa akin ng Apex. So, no giveaways for the meantime. And, yeah. I'll let you guys know if anything changes. But it wasn't a good day. Even the stream. I feel like yung stream today was low vibe. Probably because I don't have a sleep. Pero, yeah. Wasn't a good day for me. Trading. But yeah, I'm just gonna take it like a man as usual and come back stronger tomorrow. And yeah, I'll trade post stream, and I promised myself I would just take one more trade and not overtrade. Okay, thank you, chat, and I'll see you again tomorrow for another action. Peace out, everybody. Sayonara.
I find it, I see I can do so